another glass of wine.
And then you have hypnosis, which is more prevalent, attributed to when the brain is induced and the person actually become involuntary. You know, this is where they get into areas like past life regression, we call it retrocognition, or memory of your incarnated pastime. And neurolinguistic programming, NLP, is one of the most fascinating subliminal influences because it's sort of an interrelationship where it takes all these mutually exclusive areas into consideration. There's a correlation between neurological processes, linguistic models, behavioral patterns, and the human experience. So what does all this mean? What this does is it takes two key areas into consideration. One is called anchor and trigger. Anchor are any reference point that stabilizes a physiological,
from a lack of
psychological,
impairment,
or
and from a
emotional
lack of
state. And trigger are basically
this is one of the biggest irony.
What